I switched up my knives. And this is ready. Skewer right in the center. All right, this is my honeydew melon. And we're just gonna go ahead and cut it just like we did the watermelon. You want big fruits for this. Now to cut the sides. All right, and this honeydew is looking beautiful. Let's go ahead and grab our watermelon and get this right in the center, best way possible on that skewer. Okay, gorgeous. All right, now we have a cantaloupe. All right, finish off our cantaloupe. Grab our tower. This one's a little bit easier because it has those seeds. Beautiful. Okay, pineapple is looking juicy. All right, this is coming together really nicely. Go ahead and just put a nice little skewer right here so that I can put the pineapple on top. Beautiful. All right. Now it's time for the fun part. All right, now we're gonna grab some grapes. And I have a toothpick right here. And this is just gonna help keep those grapes right there. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and add another bundle right here. These little toothpicks make our job so much easier because the grapes can just sit right there. All right, our grapes are set. Let's grab some strawberries. I have this huge one, and guess where that's gonna go? Right there, covering up that ugly toothpick. Let's go ahead and add a few more strawberries just within our bundle. Stick out your toothpick a little bit further than the grapes to make your job easier. Gorgeous. Now we have some sliced kiwi. I left the skin on it because it makes it thicker and easier to manipulate. Put another one of those little toothpicks, and then this is coming together so beautifully. Let's go ahead and finish the kiwi. All right, now I have some beautiful lemon slices. I'm gonna grab this beauty slice, and she's gonna go right here. I'm gonna use a toothpick just as like a little back thing to lean on. And let's go ahead and put the rest of our slices. All right, we're almost done here. I'm gonna grab some oranges. And this one we're just gonna place right here, just like that. Push it in. I have another one. And we're just gonna, right in there, just like that. Try to stick those in there as much as possible so we can hide them. All right, we have our last fruit, you guys. I just have some raspberries. We're gonna sit some right on top. I know you can't see that. Here's a better spot. You can put one right here on top of that little orange stick, just like that, on the ground, just to fill in any little holes that we have. We don't need to use a toothpick because these are way too delicate for a full-on toothpick. All right, you guys. Now you have a summer fruit cake. Come on, can you not tell me that this isn't gorgeous? Any pool party, any 4th of July, Memorial Day weekend, you're gonna wanna make this and impress everyone. Let's go ahead and get a grape.